Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.7, question number 7, part number 2, that is 1 point conjugate of 63. So 1.63 bar can also be written in the form of 1.63, 63 up to so on. Two number repeat after decimal point. So 1.63 bar can also be written in the form of sum, so equal to 1 plus 0.63 plus 0.0063, because two digits repeat after decimal point. So plus 0.4063, 1 plus 0.63 can also be written in fraction form, that is 63 divided by 100 plus 63 divided by, so after decimal 4 points, that is 140 plus 63 divided by 160 plus up to so on. So taking 63 common into 1 divided by 100 plus 1 divided by 10,000 plus up to so on. So next here first term, that is a1 is equal to 1 divided by 100, and second term, that is 1 divided by 10,000. So r is the common ratio between a1 and a2. So by putting the values, 1 divided by 10,000 divided by 1 divided by 100, take denominator into numerator. So 1 divided by 10,000 multiply 100 divided by 1, so 20 cancel. So r is equal to 1 divided by 100, which is less than 1. Since the sum of infinite geometric series is S infinite is equal to a1 divided by 1 minus r, so by putting the values, value of a1 is equal to 1 divided by 100, fraction 1 minus value of r is equal to 1 divided 100. So taking LCM of denominator functions, that is, so according to question, 1.63 conjugate is equal to 1 plus 63 into sum of infinite term, that is 1 divided by 100, fraction 1 minus 1. So next taking LCM of denominator function, that is 1 minus 1 divided 100 is equal to 99 divided by 100. So by taking reciprocal, 1 divided by 100 multiply 100, take in numerator form, and fraction 99, 100 cancel. So 1 plus 63 into 1 divide 9, so 63 divide 99. So again taking LCM, so 99 into 99 plus 63, which is equal to 162 divided by 99, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.